case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Kathy Paradoski was caught in the maelstrom of a DWI conviction back in 2015. Texas courts of appeals had to dig into the very crux of criminal conviction when Paradoski disputed the sufficiency of evidence leading to her conviction. As per the law, there must be compelling evidence beyond a shred of doubt, along with credible and qualified testimonies to hold someone guilty of a crime. Paradoski's erratic driving along with her blood test reports indicating the presence of drugs had set the grounds for her DWI conviction. Her faculties seemed compromised, and there was enough evidence to suggest drug impairment, from witness accounts to expert testimonies. She contested her conviction, attributing her impairment to a transient ischemic attack, but the evidence suggested otherwise. Observations by witnesses painted a picture of impaired control of her faculties, slurred speech, and uncharacteristically slow responses. The blood test, the nurse's testimony, and the toxicologist's report collectively pointed towards drug impairment. Paradoski's counter-argument was that her bizarre behavior was caused by a medical condition, transient ischemic attack to be specific. But even her own expert toxicologist could not substantiate this argument completely, though he did attest to the presence of drug levels commensurate with long-term use. When the jury weighed in, the scales tilted heavily against Paradoski. Her conviction for DWI was upheld, putting an end to her desperate appeal. Reviewing the whole series of events, the court affirmed that the trial court had indeed arrived at the correct conclusion. There was adequate scientific evidence validated by expert testimonies to prove Paradoski's drug-impaired driving. The court did not find any error in the way the trial court had admitted the state's toxicologist's testimony, thereby setting a clear precedent on the evaluation of proof in criminal convictions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.